So again, a 4-set win for Ateneo, the #1 team in the semifinals now. I think Trisha Robredo is getting ready to interview our hands-down player of the game from Ateneo, Eliza Valdez. Go ahead, Trisha.
Okay, so Eliza, kanina medyo git-gitan tayo sa 4th set. Well, most teams usually crumble under pressure. Kayo, naipanalo niyo pa yung laro. What was going through your head that time?
Well, Coach Tai keeps on reminding us na just play happy and just enjoy the game eh. Yun lang naman. And everyone talaga really played well. Sobra. Simula sa bench, coach all the way to the players inside the court. Sobra. I'm so thankful. We're so thankful na nakuha namin yung win today.
Congratulations, Eliza, and the rest of the Lady Eagles na undefeated pa rin hanggang ngayon. So as player of the game, we present to you this box of Shakey's from Shakey's, of course. Huli ba may gusto kong batiin sa manonood sa atin ngayon?
Hi sa family ko siya sa San Juan, Batangas, and happy wedding sa wedding anniversary ng grandparents ko. Hello po, and family ko sa parents ko, and sino ba? To all the people na nandito and nasa bahay na nanonood, hello po, and sa lahat ng nag-opening ng UAAP, good luck to all the teams. Hey, one big five.
Okay, thank you very much, Eliza, and back to you guys.
Thank you very much, Eliza Valdez. Well-deserved. One big fight. Ateneo is still undefeated. And of course, siya po magmamaka sa aming live na paghatid sa inyo ng Shakey's feeling on behalf of Trisha Robredo and my partner, Ivy Remulla. Ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam!